Hey there, TikTok creators and curious viewers. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest social media hacks. Today, we're tackling a super useful feature: how to see who saved your video on TikTok in 2025. If you're a content creator, knowing who's saving your videos can help you build a stronger community and understand your audience better. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. This feature is part of the updated creator tools, so updates are key. Open the app and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the person icon at the bottom right corner. That's your hub for all your content and stats. Next, find the video you're interested in. Scroll through your videos or use the search function if you have a lot. Tap on the video to open it. Now, look for the three dots in the top right corner. That's your menu for more options. Hit those dots and select Analytics or Insights. In 2025, TikTok has made this even more detailed, so you'll see a breakdown of views, likes, shares, and yes, saves. In the Analytics section, scroll down to the Engagement tab. Here, you'll find a subsection for saved videos. TikTok now allows creators to see a list of users who have saved your content, but remember, it's anonymized for privacy. Think usernames without personal details. If you're verified or have a certain number of followers, you might get more in-depth info. Pro tip: use this data to engage with your savers by creating follow-up content or polls. One thing to note: not everyone can access this yet, so if you don't see it, check your account settings or wait for TikTok to roll it out fully. And that's it. Simple, right? By tracking who saves your videos, you can boost your strategy and grow your presence on the platform. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your TikTok tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more social media tutorials. See you in the next one.